Hello guys, so basically what I'm going to be doing today, I'm going to make slime. It's going to be a bit messy and you need a tad of tissue or quite a bit of tissue. So basically what we're going to need is we're going to need tissue, only a little bit. We're going to use a tiny bit of that, or you don't have to use it. And you'll need some of this because it's kind of like jelly. We will be needing PVA glue inside there. There is it's just white glue, and you need a bowl. This is my Halloween one. So basically we're going to have to. So we are back, guys. So we're going to be using this. So what we're going to do, put some PVA glue. You don't have to put a lot. We will need, if you have this, you don't have to use it. So you only put like 4 dots. Like that. It's that one running down the bowl. There. And we will be putting some of this in. Put some of this in. And then you mix it. And guys, I found a taddy glitter if you want to put it in, so make sure you do it. So guys, that was pretty tough to get out, so I put a tad of it in, only 3 splats. So I'm going to be mixing it right now and I'll tell you what it turns out like. Be there. Okay guys, this is what the messy glue came out like. Really quite stiff, pretty good, and it's really stiff. Hard to get your finger, and then it's really messy. See, if it was just like PVA glue, that would have just went bloop and just fell off my fingers. But this, pretty stiff, as you can see. See, that takes a while and it sticks. It's a really sticky. That's why I said be warned to have some special tissue. So, tissue always saves the day. And then wipe it off your fingers. Every time you're bored or you're told off, you could play with it. So, hope you enjoyed the video. And do a thumbs up. And subscribe and comment down slime ideas. And yeah, peace. But one thing, if we can hit 3 likes, that would be my dream. I know my other video has hit 2 likes only, not even good, but it doesn't matter. But I'm just hoping it hits that. So peace out.